Welcome to Finance Simplified. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of one of the most important financial documents you'll encounter, the credit card statement. A credit card statement isn't just a bill. It's a storybook of your spending habits, a roadmap to your financial health, and a tool for savvy financial management. First things first, what is a credit card statement? Simply put, it's a summary of all the transactions you've made with your credit card over a specific period, usually a month. Your statement is divided into sections: purchases, payments, fees, and sometimes, interest charges. Each section tells a different part of your spending story. In the Purchases section, you'll see where and when you swiped your card, along with how much you spent. It's like a diary of your monthly expenses. Next up, the Payments section. This shows any payments or credits applied to your account. It's important to check this to ensure all your payments are accurately recorded. If you're carrying a balance, the Interest section shows how much you're being charged. Remember, paying your balance in full each month can help you avoid these charges. Watch out for the Fees section. This is where you'll find charges for late payments or going over your credit limit. Staying informed helps you avoid these pitfalls. Reviewing your statement monthly isn't just about tracking expenses. It's your first line of defense against fraud. Spot something unusual? Report it immediately. Finally, the bottom line of your statement shows your total balance, minimum payment due, and the due date. Paying more than the minimum, and on time, keeps your credit score healthy. There you have it. Your credit card statement is a powerful tool in managing your finances. Use it wisely, and you'll be on your way to a healthier financial future. Thanks for watching Finance Simplified. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more easy-to-understand financial advice. See you in the next video.